Hello everyone, today I will discuss top 50 current affairs questions of 2024. So watch full class and like, share, subscribe to our channel. Who has been appointed as the new Finance Secretary of India? Answer: Tuhin Kanta Pandey has been appointed as the new Finance Secretary of India. Who has been appointed as the new Chairman of the Law Commission? Answer: Ritu Rajabasti has been appointed as the new Chairman of Law Commission. Who has been appointed as the new Chief of the Army Staff? Answer: Upendra Dwivedi has been appointed as the new Chief of Army Staff. Who has been appointed as the Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry? Answer: K. Kailashnath has been appointed as the Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry. Who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Delhi High Court? Answer: Justice Manmohan has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Delhi High Court. Who is the new Chairman of Airport Authority of India? Answer: Bipin Kumar is the new Chairman of Airport Authority of India. Who has been appointed as the Director General of Indian Coast Guard? Answer: Shivamani Parameshwar has been appointed as the Director General of Indian Coast Guard. India and which country has launched the Green Hydrogen Corridor project? Answer: Germany. Who has been appointed as the new Chairperson of the National Commission of Women? Answer: Vijaya Kishore Rahatkar has been appointed as the new Chairperson of the National Commission of Women. Who has been appointed as the new Governor of Jharkhand? Answer: Santosh Kumar Gangwar has been appointed as the new Governor of Jharkhand. Who has been appointed as the Chairman of SSC? Answer: S. Gopal Krishnan has been appointed as the Chairman of SSC. Who has been appointed as the Director General of Jammu and Kashmir? Answer: Nalin Prabhat has been appointed as the Director General of Jammu and Kashmir. What was the theme of International Yoga Day 2024? Answer: Yoga for Self and Society. Who is the new President of FICCI? Answer: Harshvardhan Agarwal is the President of FICCI. Who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Jharkhand High Court? Answer: M.S. Ramchandra Rao has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Jharkhand High Court. What is the rank of India in Global Peace Index 2024? Answer: the rank of India is 116. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Press Information Bureau? Answer: Dhiren Roja has been appointed as the new Director of Press Information Bureau. Who is the current Chief Minister of Sikkim? Answer: Prem Singh Tamang is the current Chief Minister of Sikkim. Who has been appointed as the Chairman of UPSC? Answer: Priti Sudan has been appointed as the Chairman of UPSC. Who has been appointed as the Governor of Maharashtra? Answer: C.P. Radhakrishnan has been appointed as the Governor of Maharashtra. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Justice of India? Answer: Justice Sanjeev Khanna has been appointed as the new Chief Justice of India. Which country won the most medals in the Paris Olympics 2024? Answer: USA won the most medals in the Paris Olympics 2024. How many medals were won by India at the Paris Olympics 2024? Answer: 6 medals were won by India at the Paris Olympics 2024. Swapnil Khosla recently won a bronze medal in which sports event at Paris Olympics 2024? Answer: shooting. Neeraj Chopra won which medal in the men's javelin throw event at the Paris Olympics 2024? Answer: silver. Who won the men's single title in the US Open Tennis 2024? Answer: Jannik Sinner. Who has been appointed as the new Governor of Punjab? Answer: Gulab Chand Kataria has been appointed as the new Governor of Punjab. Who has been appointed as the new Director of Enforcement Directorate? Answer: Rahul Nabin has been appointed as the new Director of Enforcement Directorate. Who has been appointed as the new Defense Secretary? Answer: Rajesh Kumar Singh has been appointed as the new Defense Secretary. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of NSG? Answer: B. Srinivasan has been appointed as the new Director of NSG. Who won the Player of the Tournament award in ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2024? Answer: Jasprit Bumrah won the Player of the Tournament award in ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2024. What is the rank of India in the AI Preparedness Index? Answer: the rank of India is 72nd. Who won the Youth Icon of India by FICCI? Answer: Ayushman Khurrana and Neeraj Chopra won the Youth Icon of India by FICCI. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of SSB? Answer: Amrit Mohan Prasad has been appointed as the new Director General of SSB. Which country developed the world's first wooden satellite named Lignosat? Answer: Japan. Which country named a cyclone Dana? Answer: Qatar. Which country hosted the 16th BRICS Summit 2024? Answer: Russia. Which country will host BRICS Summit 2025? Answer: Brazil. Recently, where was India's Maritime Decarbonization Conference held? Answer: New Delhi. Who have been awarded the 2024 Nobel Prize in Chemistry? Answer: David Becker, Demis Hassabis, and John Jumper. What is the rank of India in the Global Hunger Index 2024? Answer: the rank of India is 105. Recently, which state government has launched Project Bheria to capture wolves? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. Which country recently used an anaconda strategy against Taiwan? Answer: China. Which ministry has recently developed an e-Sankiyaki portal? Answer: Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. Recently, where was Bihar's first dry port inaugurated? Answer: Vita. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Central Board of Direct Taxes? Answer: Ravi Agarwal. Recently, the Prime Minister of India launched Dhartiyava Jayantiya Gram Utkarsha Abhiyan in which state? Answer: Jharkhand. Which team won ICC Women's T20 World Cup in 2024? Answer: New Zealand. How many sports are there at the Paris Olympics 2024? Answer: 32. Recently, who has been appointed as the new CM of Jammu and Kashmir? Answer: Umar Abdullah. Today I have discussed the top 50 current affairs questions of 2024, and these questions are very important for your exam. So subscribe and join to our channel for more important classes.